morning, students. How are you? Hope you all are fit and healthy at your home. And all of you done now your first two question answer, which was from this chapter. Today we will do the remaining question from this chapter, beta. So let's start today's classes. So ready with your science copy and with your pencil, and all of you draw now this diagram also now in your copy. This is the diagram of phases of the moon. Look at here. Hope you all of you draw now this diagram in your copy. Okay. Then after that we are doing now the next question answer from this chapter. So beta, ready with your science copy. This subject is science. And no need to write now in your copy science. Okay beta. No need. I know it, your copy is science and you also need it. Also know this copy is your science, and some students send their copies picture and they mention now science this type of. No need to, only you have to write now chapter name in your copy and date also. Okay beta. Then what is the date? The date is 13 February 2021. Chapter which is chapter 13, going to the tell me where, going to the moon. This is your chapter which is going on. Okay, this is your chapter. Only write now the date, this topic. After that you do your work. No need to write now subject in your copy. Okay beta. Then first and second questions is completed now. If those students are not completed their work, then they can see my previous video. Okay, today we will do the next question. Question number 3. Everyone write now question number 3. Question number 3 is, today's topic is question answer. Here I mention now. This is copy work. Then question number 3, name the three astronauts who went to the moon in 1969. In 1969. It means the question is asking about 3 astronauts. 3 astronauts means the person they are going to the moon. In which year? 1969. Right now the astronauts name. The 3 astronauts who went to the moon in 1969 are. One by one, all of you write now their name. Tell me students, what is the name of the astronauts? First all of you write now Neil Armstrong. Neil Armstrong. This is not a tough spelling. Neil Armstrong. Okay beta, this type of all of you learn now. Then second is Edwin Aldrin. Then Aldrin. Then third is Michael Collins. Collins. These are three astronauts' name according to question, and that they are going to the moon in which year? 1969. So beta, all of you complete now this answer in your copy. After that we will do the next answer. The answer is question number 4. Question number 4 is, according to book, what are the two things? What are the two things from which we get much information about the moon, this is your question, beta. According to your book, the question is asking about what are the two things from which we get means astronauts get much information about the moon. Only you have to write now two things, that things astronauts are to brought from the moon. Tell me anyone what the things are. Soil. First is soil from the moon. The astronaut brought some soil and photographs. Soil from the moon. First point was mentioned now, all of you. Then second is photographs of the moon. Photographs of the moon. These two things which are helpful to get much information about the moon. And these two things, who brought? The astronauts. Okay. The astronauts brought soil from the moon, some soil from the moon, and they take some photographs of the moon, and that are very helpful to us. Then move to the question number 5 is, question number 5, according to your question, how does moon look like in the sky? How does the moon look like in the sky? This is your question. The answer is, moon looks like a bright, shining करता है ना, bright silver ball in the sky at night. Okay. Moon looks like a bright silver ball in the sky at night. Your question answer are done according to your book. Okay, beta. And all book exercises also done. These things I am done now in previous classes. So beta, if your work is not done properly. So everyone watch my previous video, that all videos are is available on YouTube. So beta you can watch it. Okay, and you can subscribe my channel, then you get my all videos. Okay, this is the your project work. It is also done. One question is remaining. This puzzle you search the way. So do this activity in your book. Okay beta, you search the way. Where is the way? This is your homework. Then next question, this last question is remaining, I think. Value based skill question. So beta, everyone read this question very carefully. One night Amay was standing on the terrace with his father. He was continuously observing the moon. He asked his father that sun and the moon both have the same shape, but why only the moon changes its shape continuously? His father replied, like the sun, the moon has a fixed shape. It never changes its shape as you see in the sky. The reply of Amay's father is right. Why? What is the reason? Beta, you know very well the earth is rotated on their spin, or rotated on their axis, and the sun revolves around the revolve around revolve around their orbit. Okay, when the moon is a natural satellite of the earth. When moon is revolving around the earth, that some part is in front of the sun and some part is the back. This whole process, sun shape is fixed, it is not changing, but it is depend on the sunlight and its position. Okay, it is only the it is the no, it is depend on the change due to the moon's rotation and around the earth, and it is reflected the sunlight towards the earth. That's why the moon, we can see the moon is changing shapes, phases of the moon. We can say phases of the moon. In higher classes you read about deeply about phases of the moon. Okay beta, so this time you know it enough for you, and your course is completed now. All things, annual syllabus I'm also posted, so everyone watch this video according to your annual syllabus. Today your work is completed, so everyone complete your copy properly and complete your book exercise also, because very soon your examination is coming now, and it is all things are informed by the school. Maybe in March first week your examination will be started now. So beta, be careful for your exam, and you have to read now. This is my advice for you, for all children. First, all of you read your chapters properly and focus on the book exercises. Okay beta, so till then have a nice day students.